My name is Alberto Perazza. I'm from Magis in Italy. Magis is a family business. It's a business which started back in 1976 by my father, Eugenio. I joined Magis 20 years ago. It's a company which produces and distributes products in different materials, in different technologies. We like to experiment. We are an industrial company, but we do not produce internally our products. So all the production of our products is contracted out to a network of partners, each of them with its own expertise, with its own knowledge in different areas of the technologies and the materials. What we do is working on ideas. Ideas of new products are generated internally. We brief these ideas to our designers. We start a dialogue. After a dialogue, we develop a concept together with the designers we work with, and then comes the product. We're working very much with the Burulek brothers, with Konstantin Gricic, with Naoto Fukazawa that we introduced a substance last year, and that will be on the market, will be released to the market next month. We have new cooperations. We're also talking to the Campana brothers. We're talking also to Forma Fantasma, which is a beautiful team of designers. They're Italians, but based in Eindhoven, the Netherlands. We're talking for Me Too collections. We have new lines also with Eero Arne, which is a fantastic designer that we've been working for Me Too collection. And so yeah, there's at least another couple of designers we're working with, new designs that will probably be to next year, or if not 2017. We like to be fully involved in the process. We like to control the process. The most important, however, is about trying to push the limits forward. We like very much, and Magis as a design-led company is very much technologically driven. In fact, when we develop our ideas for new products, we always have in mind the materials and the technology that we want to use to make this new products. But design itself has to establish, first of all, a good idea. But we prefer to look at either existing technologies in different fields, trying to bring maybe that technology for the first time in our business. One of the new directions for Magis, which started last year, April 2014, is also to work more on craftsmanship and combine industrial made parts in a product to artisanal made parts in a product, which we find it very interesting. It's very different. We find it very challenging. It started by an idea of my father, Eugenio, that, and it's a true story, that he was looking for a present for my daughter Anna. At that time, Anna was 4 years old, and he couldn't really find what he had in mind. He was looking for a nice table. He bought a table, he gave to Anna. Anna used it Anna used it for a few years. Then a few years later, it passed it on to my son Antonio, and he used it also for a number of years. In 2002, 2003, we started contacting some designers. Javier Mariscal from Spain and Eero Arne from Finland were new to Magis. Those were designers that we have contacted because we thought that they are designers which somehow could be thinking like with the mind of a child. Me Too collection is in fact a totally new design. It's not a reduction of scale. It's not like taking an existing chair, taking chair one, taking an air chair, shrinking it, reducing to the scale of a child. We wanted to do and design something new, something totally different. It's a collection that every year we expand, because every year in Milan we bring out at least two, three new items. We love the idea that our products, they serve multi-directions, multi-purposes, and indoor, outdoor, contract, residential. The way we see Magis for the future is about designing products. We will hopefully continue to be as innovative as possible. Innovating does not necessarily mean doing something new, because today there is probably too much of everything, but innovation, if there is innovation, is to be found on craftsmanship, on combinations of materials within a product. It has to do more into mix and matching, and that's a new challenge for Magis.